Today we will discuss protoplasm. Before we discuss protoplasm, we need to discuss cell. Cell is the basic structure and functional unit of life. Each cell has two functional regions, the plasma membrane and the protoplasm. Here we will study about the protoplasm, the ground substance of protoplasm. The ground substance of protoplasm after removing all the cell organelles and cell inclusions called hyaloplasm. Now we'll discuss the properties of protoplasm. First, we'll discuss the physical properties. Protoplasm is a polyphasic colloidal system. It has power of responding to external stimuli like heat, electric shocks, application of chemicals. This property is called as irritability. It exhibits streaming movement. In general, the pH of cytoplasm is slightly acidic, that is 6.8. However, pH of nuclear plasm is 7.6 to 7.8. This is all about chemical properties. Now we'll discuss this is all about physical properties. Now we'll discuss the chemical properties of protoplasm. The collection of various types of molecules of a cell collectively form cellular pool. Organic and inorganic compounds occur in a ratio of 9:1 in cellular pool. First, we will discuss the inorganic compounds. The inorganic compounds include salts, minerals, ions. These occur in ionic state and form only 1 to 3% of cellular pool. A large amount of minerals occur as hard deposits, as crystals within the cell. The salt concentration in cells and in body fluids is of great importance. For normal cell functioning. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases are also present in protoplasm. Water is also an essential part of protoplasm. Water is not an organic molecule. Because it does not contain carbon. The bonding properties of water account for some of its characteristics which are very important to living beings. Water is main component of cell. Cell contents and body fluid. It is neutral with pH 7. It forms an average 55 to 60% of living material. When water dissolves, more substances in it than any other liquid. Due to its highest known dielectric constant. Only polar molecules dissolves in water. It is generally non-toxic to cell. It is a medium of heat exchange and transfer. It participates in chemical reactions both as a reactant and a product. It also acts as a lubricating and protective fluid. This is all about inorganic compounds. Now we will discuss the organic compounds. A large series of covalent compounds are formed with the help of carbon, hydrogen, and some other elements. These are called as organic compounds. First, we'll discuss carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is chiefly composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. In this, hydrogen and oxygen atoms are present in the ratio of 2:1. As in carbohydrates, hydrogen and oxygen are present. Therefore, these are also termed as hydrates of carbon. Carbohydrates have general formula as CnH2nOn. In animals, they are in the form of glucose and glycogen. In plants, they are in the form of cellulose and starch. Carbohydrates can be defined chemically as aldehyde or ketone derivatives or the polyhydric alcohol and their derivatives. Carbohydrates can be further divided as monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides.